Hey guys, GT Machine here. We're gonna go ahead and review the Porsche outdoor car cover for the 971 Panamera. Any generation fits all of them, or any generation of the 971. I don't know what I'm saying, but I've had it in the car cover for a little over a year, so let's go ahead and see how she's held up for over a year. So it's kind of good. It's kind of windy today. So I've had this car cover for a little over a year, and it's fared kind of well. The only issue I've had is down here where it meets the bumper. It kind of has torn a little bit there. This is supposedly covered under warranty. Says Porsche. Haven't tried it, and I missed the deadline. So it is what it is. Another things I like here is the mirror covers, which is really nice. And then also the vent here, which lets out air, which helps when it's windy. And then the biggest thing that I've done and noticed a difference is here when you tighten these pull tabs here. I tighten them really tight and it will split the zipper a little bit, but that's okay. And then what I've found is if you loop it around here, it'll stop it from pulling the rope back through the pull tabs, and then the little pocket to put it in. And I noticed the car cover doesn't come off as much, or the wind doesn't pick it up. And then as you can see, it's a little windy today and there's no problems. And then it fits quite well, and I pull it nice and tight. There's no issues. And it works out quite well, but I'm actually happy with it. Again, the only downside to the cover is you are going to get some swirl marks from the car cover, but they're easily to buff out. But if you have PPF, there's no problems with it. But other than that, this is the actual Porsche outdoor car cover, and had it for a little over a year and have really no problems with it. I would say it's good for about, I would say no more than 25-mile-per-hour wind. Other than that, after that, I take it off just to be safe. But if you got nowhere to store it, can't put it inside, definitely recommend the outdoor car cover just because of the way it's designed. And also one feature I forgot to tell you guys about is about right here, there's a vinyl straps sewed in, which go inside the door. That way, if it does come off, there's little round circular things in there which prevent it from being pulled away. And also it's an anti-theft thing. Even though if somebody really wants it, they're just going to cut it. But that's also a good feature. You can kind of see the strap here, which goes into the door, and just make sure it's flat when you close the rear doors. So that's pretty much the exterior outdoor car cover. No complaints with it. I think it's a good value, and definitely needed to pay attention more and take advantage of the warranty on it. But that was my fault. But hopefully this gives you guys some insight on the car cover and if you may want to buy it or not. All right, thanks guys. Like and subscribe.